Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Airtable bases for project management workflows, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Airtable account. Create a new base by clicking on the Add a Base button. Choose whether to start from scratch or template. Select your preferred template for project management if desired. Rename the base to reflect the project's name. Open the base to enter the workspace. Set up the first table in your base, typically labeled Projects. Define the fields for your Projects table. Add a project name field as a single line text. Create a deadline field as a date type. Include a status field allowing single select options like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. Add a Assign to field as a collaborator type if you want to assign team members to projects. Next, create another table for tasks, usually named Tasks. Link the Tasks table to the Projects table by creating a new field as a linked record. For the Tasks table, add a task name field as single-line text. Include a due date field as date type. Add a status field with options relevant to tasks, similar to the Projects table. In the Tasks table, create a project field to link to the projects. Customize views for better organization. Switch to the calendar view for due dates by clicking Views and selecting Calendar. Use Kanban view for set up filters to focus on specific teams or status updates when needed. Add color coding to visualize priorities across tasks and projects. Consider using formulas to automate calculations or summaries where applicable. Use the comments section within records to facilitate team communication. Review your configuration to ensure all fields reflect your workflow requirements. Begin inputting data for a comprehensive view of your projects and tasks. Regularly update statuses and due dates to maintain project momentum. Explore integrations and automations to enhance your workflow further. Finalize your base by adjusting permissions for team members based on their roles. Monitor progress continuously and make adjustments as your project evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.